So for those of you that have a contractor gone wild, there's one phone call you need to make for two reasons. Number one is you need to get legal advice. Legal advice from a professional that is experienced, that has seen hundreds and hundreds of contractors gone wild. Andy Wyman from Wyman Legal Solutions is just, he's a pro, the pro's pro. We've been working together for years, and I think famously say, I am so proud to have Andy as a friend and an attorney, because in your heart of hearts, you only have the best interest for clients, and just despise seeing people getting taken advantage of by these bad actors.
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate that, and there's not a lot of attorneys out there who want to represent homeowners and who are really passionate about it, like we are at our firm. But what helps us be successful in helping homeowners? Look, as a lawyer, I know enough about construction to be a little bit dangerous, right? But I need somebody. What I don't do is I can't go to your house and evaluate the construction and figure out where you are on the ground and what needs to be done to get you to maybe repair the things your first contractor did incorrectly, what it's going to cost you to finish out the job. These are all things you're going to want to know, and that's why I turn to a professional like you, Frank Coppola of Coppola Brothers, a Florida certified master builder, somebody who can honestly go in and evaluate on a construction management and advisory level to go into a job and let us know and let me know, hey, what's it really going to cost? What is their situation? What's the work that's not done well? What are all the warts with the permitting and all of that? So I can help give the client or help them make an informed decision.
And it's so hard. Listen, we will. It's straight talk. I think that's the common denominator between both of us, is we're going to give it to you straight. You might, but we're not going to dance around it. If there's a problem, we got to address it. We got to put some antiseptic on it. Or not just a Band-Aid, not just forget about it, really address what the issue is, and then get a course of action, a prescription to get a cure in place.
Right, we become the professionals in the room to help you deal with the contractor.
At least we try
who is
to.
not.